So never been done before. Welcome, Raw Luscious Souls. For those new here, my name's Tony. I've got Skye Conway on the channel, and we're also doing Insta Live as well on Skye's Insta, and also with the collaboration that'll be on mine as well. But this is for YouTube, this one, and then we've got the other. So we've got two cameras going on. So exciting! Yeah, we're multitasking. And Skye's going to demonstrate today and show us, and I'm going to be doing it together with Skye. We've already prepped this amazing recipe. I'll let Skye explain the recipe and how she, you got inspired by this. And I'm looking forward to making it and trying it. So I'm super, I'll leave it to you, Skye, to share your creation.
Thank you. Okay, so what we're making today is super simple. There's simple ingredients. It's raw vegan, and it is based on like a Napoletana, but it's also got basil and it's got lemon, chili, and avocado on the side. But to start, we're going to make the pasta sauce. So let's get out. The first thing we need is a Vitamix. So a high-speed blender is going to be great. So we get our high-speed blender to put what we need in. Got it? Okay. So the first
mine's a bit old now, but this has lasted over 8 years. 8 years.
That's incredible.
This is why I would invest in a Vitamix, because they're strong. I've been using this every single day without fail.
Yeah, I think it's incredible. The stories I hear about the Vitamix, I know that they're more expensive than the average blender, but when people are like, I've had mine for 11 years, 8 years, I think they're worth it.
Definitely. I'd buy one again. I'd buy one tomorrow.
Yeah, they're very handy as a raw vegan. So with the sauce, we're first going to put in here 3 large tomatoes into the Vitamix. I've cut mine already, just roughly. There it goes. So I always like to put the softer ingredients in first when I'm making a sauce because it blends easily.
Say that again, sorry, Skye.
That's all right. No, I was just saying I always put the soft ingredients in first because it's easier to blend. If you put like the tougher ingredients in, it's a bit hard.
Yeah.
So into that next, we put 1 red bell pepper. You take the seeds out and the core out and you put that in. In it goes. Okay. Okay, we add to that 1 stick of celery. That's that salty flavor we want going on in this sauce.
Yes.
Okay. After that, I put in 3 medjool dates that have been pitted. Can we just stay here while we're doing this? Everyone can just have a little look at Tony's kitchen because I'm very impressed. I think it's glorious. It's gorgeous.
It goes all the way down. It's it's huge. Very blessed, and it's outside.
You need to do a YouTube video of your kitchen.
Oh, I am. I definitely am. Once we've only almost settled, but pretty much finished. Pretty much. So yeah, it's amazing.
Okay, so we've got the medjool dates in. We've got the tomatoes, the red bell pepper, celery, medjool dates. Onto that, I then put 2 cloves of garlic. In they go. Okay, and then I like just a little bit of citrus in this. I use half the juice of a lemon. And I put that in.
I haven't, but I'll do it now. I'm just using, I've actually got a citrus juicer, but I'm just going to use
I like to build your muscles though.
Yeah, definitely.
Stay strong.
There we go.
Okay, and that's all that's in the sauce. So now we're going to blend. So let me bring across my Vitamix base. And we're going to blend that until it's smooth, really smooth.
Okay. On high power?
Sorry?
High power?
What did you say?
On high power? High power?
Yeah, on high power. Yeah, high power until smooth. You might have to start it off slower and then blend it up as it gets mushier. Tony, do you know what I didn't put in mine? And you probably got it sitting there, the carrot.
You want the carrot in?
Yes, the carrot goes in. Sorry, I just didn't put the carrot out. 1 second.
How much carrot was it?
Just 1 carrot.
1 carrot. Okay, I've got it ready.
Just 1 carrot.
1 carrot. Just to see if the tomatoes are in anything else.
Sorry, guys. I actually ate the carrot when I was prepping and forgot to replace it.
It's all good.
So once that's in, now you blend on high speed until smooth.
Okay, high speed. Here we go again.
Yep.
Going this strong. It's amazing. I think mine's done. Beautiful. Oh, look at this sauce. It looks amazing.
How's the sauce looking?
Sorry?
How's it look?
Amazing. Creamy.
Okay, so try it.
Oh my goodness. Amazing.
Okay, so just put that sauce to the side for a second and grab yourself a bowl because we're going to do the noodles or the fettuccine that goes with this. So just grab a bowl and put your zucchini fettuccine noodles into the bowl. So guys, these are vegetable peeler. Oh, that's fine. I did mine with a vegetable peeler, like a fettuccine type flat noodle. But zoodles are fine, guys. I peeled mine as well. You don't have to. Just put, this is actually 3 to 4 zucchinis. But in Australia, our zucchinis are quite small. So just put that into a bowl. Yay! And I've got mine here. Got mine. Okay. So on top of that, you're going to pour your desired amount of sauce.
All of it.
Go for gold.
Yeah. So let's pour it. Oh my goodness. That's how easy. That's how easy it is.
Yes. And it's all just simple ingredients and it tastes amazing. So that's what this looks like. Now, we're going to top that with some fresh basil.
Nope.
Some fresh basil leaves on top. Just like that, you can chop them up. You can do as you please. Then on top of that, I put a few slices of avocado.
Yeah.
So just place that. That's like that creaminess.
Oh, look at it. Oh.
So just the avocado goes on top like that. How's it going there?
Amazing. I didn't cut my avocado, but it's all good because I'm enjoying.
Okay.
But look at this. Who loves avocado?
Gold, as much as you want.
No restriction on this lifestyle, isn't there, Skye? No restriction.
What suits you? Are you going to make me put more avocado on now?
I'm inspired you to put more
Avocado on here.
Look at this. Let's have a try.
You'll too.
Let the Skye to try hers first before I jump in.
Okay, so we've got lots of avocado on. Okay, in the final part, and this is totally optional, guys. So there's an update with the extra avocado, and they're really tiny avocados, but okay. And on top of that, I like to put fresh chili.
Oh, no, not for me. No chilies. My pet.
Like,
No spice is my pet. So everywhere I go, I always say, my pet, my pet. And they think I'm crazy. You're like, you're in Thailand and you don't like spice. Not for me.
I love it. So, and then to finish off, I serve with a slice of lemon as well. So on the side, just add some extra.
I'll put that just there. I'll sprinkle mine on later.
Basil avocado.
Oh, you've got yours right on top. I've just taken mine out already. Are we trying it, Skye?
I need to try it too. So you put a little bit of lemon.
I have a guest. My first retreat client is here, Leander, and she's going to try it as well. So come and join in. Woo!
Hello.
She's here for 12 days. We've just opened the retreat. How good is that? Oh my goodness.
You like it?
You're amazing. How did you just come across this recipe? Just tweaking?
Not even. So I was actually away for work and I had not this sort of work, another job, and I had to grab lunch. And I went into the supermarket and I always just grab what inspires me. So I grabbed things and I made this for lunch and I'm like, this is the most incredible dish, I swear, and I've had it so many times.
So good. Let's just enjoy it. Like, let's talk it, more eating. It's so good and so simple.
That's right. That's right. And lots of flavor. And you feel good after you eat it.
Yeah, you don't feel heavy. You're not tired. You feel energized. You feel satisfied. You've stimulated all those senses. Those flavors are just beautiful. It's like a, what do you say? Like, it's tomatoey, but it's got that nice zest.
It's got zest.
Yeah. And the basil's lovely with it. And I love the zucchini. I'm more into cucumber, but actually I was actually going to switch the zucchini to cucumber. But now with this sauce, it goes so well. So zucchini for others might it's courgette. In the UK we call it courgette.
Right.
Yeah.
I've heard other people say that too. It's like when I always say pumpkin and people are like, no, that's squash. Butternut pumpkin.
Yeah. We call it what? Butternut squash, don't we? Yeah. So Leanna's from the UK as well. She's in Norfolk now. But we've been eating lots of amazing. I'm going to be doing some more lives, I think, with some of the creations. More mango doing the creations and I eat them. But this is definitely on this is on my list to do weekly at least. Simple, easy. Everyone can do this. This is healthy and just feels so good. So I think
It does.
it's a 10 out of 10 for me, Skye. Well done. I, I really wanted to make it last week when we did that YouTube video. I really wanted
Yeah.
to do, but I thought I'm going to hold on for this live. So I'm glad I waited because this now just shows that, oh, it's divine and it's got to be made. So you've got to try it. But yeah.
It like, doesn't have to be complex. Like I know a lot of people think to get raw food to taste good, it has to be complex. But truthfully, when you just get a bit of balance, like in this, you've got the tomatoes, which are salty, a little sweet, the same with the bell pepper. And then you've got the aromatics from the garlic. And then you've got the sweetness, which we are all used to from the dates. And then you cut that with the acidity of the lemon. And so it's all kind of in balance. And that's how we like it.
Yeah, it's just a great combination of all those amazing flavors. Yeah, it's definitely top on my list to be making every single week. So you'll be seeing more of this. When I love something, it's like that's it. Even the dog's happy. He's wagging his tail. Look at his tail. He's like, yeah, he's feeling the energy. Amazing. So I'll put the recipe in the description. And I believe, Skye, you'll do the same for Instagram. Well, that'll just go in and be shared on both of ours. So if you do want to see more of our lives and our videos and recipes, this is my first ever recipe live on Instagram anyways. This one for YouTube will be out on Friday, I believe. So this one will be out on Friday. But if you want more of us, Skye and myself, Rawlicious, then check out our YouTube channel and also our Insta. We're on Facebook as well, but we'll put all the details in the description box as well. So thank you all so much. Skye, do you want to end with anything?
Well, just like what you said, if this is something you want to see more of, let us know because we can share more recipes. And if it's, because it is simple and I think that's what people want, right? So, and if you also have any suggestions of recipes you'd like to see us do, just let me know as well.
Yeah, and any recreations, of all the recipes that you love that are cooked, and have a look at them raw, because that's what we can do. And you're going to get it's healthier. You're going to feel much. You're not going to get the dip in energy. So we're going to look forward to eating this now. So I don't want to share it. if Leander wasn't here, I'd eat that to myself. So thank you all so much. I always end with the be, feel, and stay Rawlicious. Skye and everyone else, do you want to end with the be, feel, and stay Rawlicious with me? And you can do it, Leander. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Be
Rawlicious.
Feel. Stay Rawlicious.
The retreat. The retreat.
Thank you all.